Morning YouTube, Jeff here with another scrapping video. Today I'm going to be taking apart a 43-inch flat screen TV. I've already taken the base off. I've already taken most of the screws out so that it shortens the video up because, I mean, come on, you guys don't want to stand around or sit around and listen to me talk for 15 minutes. Things you're going to need: gloves, drill, big ass drill bit. Okay, I've already taken the base off. I took the base off. There's just 3 screws in it. Pops the base off. There's 2 screws in the bottom of the base. Take a big piece of metal out. Set it off to the side. Piece of plastic on the ground. Okay. Back panel comes off. Alright. 2 boards. Power board. Audio board. Already removed the screws. Those come off. Audio board doesn't have nothing on it. Throw it off the side. Power board. Couple things of copper. There, and there. Small little heat sink, but it's steel. I leave them alone. Boards. I don't have anybody that buys the boards, so boards go in the trash. Throw it off the side. Okay. This piece of metal pops off. Steel. Okay. Pull those off. I can sell speakers at my scrapyard. They buy them for steel. Power cord. Cut that end off. Cut this end off. Brass bearing plug. Mid-grade wire. Low-grade wire. Ribbon wire. I don't know. I don't have a scrapyard that buys ribbon wire, so I just throw it in the trash. This little thing comes off. Little bitty board on it. Of course, I got the wrong bit. That's the reason why I like having a power drill. Little bitty board comes off. Doesn't have nothing on it. Off to the side. Whoops. Plastic. Off to the side. Another speaker. Steel bin. Off to the side. Okay. Another little piece of metal. Off to the side. Okay. This comes off. Another little piece of low-grade wire. If you do gold recovery, these strips right here, all along there, have gold on them. I don't do gold recovery. It deals with chemicals. I ain't got time for that. Little bitty power thing there. It's got all the volume, the channel, the menu, all that. It ain't got nothing on it. Toss it off to the side. Okay, the reason why I wear gloves. Most of the time I pick up these TVs, they're already broken. I don't know about you, but I don't like playing with glass. So, I don't enjoy getting cut. So, I always wear gloves. In fact, I'm going to get glass pretty much all over the back of my truck. That's going to be nice. Again, put this over. This piece off. Another piece of plastic. Off to the side. Okay. Screen comes out. No good. Off to the side. Alright. We got I always take a magnet off of something that I've taken apart before that had a magnet on it. Another piece of steel. And I kind of rub it on the end of the bit and magnetize the bit. Get you a scrap bowl or something. Metal bowl. throw your screws in it. You don't think that screws make weight? Get enough of them? They sure will. And as much scrapping as I do, I generate a lot of screws. Okay, now this is going to be difficult. Do not be difficult. I don't have time for difficult. Pull all this off. Hopefully this is going to be a LED TV, because those are better. They're a lot easier to get apart, and you don't have to deal with all those stupid little light tubes. Okay, there we go. Mylar screen, plastic screen. Oh yeah, LED. Okay, this stuff all comes out. Pull that out of there. Throw it off to the side. All those are LEDs. These usually come on a aluminum like board almost, and you can sell that as dirty aluminum. But this here, I just pull off the wires. Damn it. Get out of there. Pull that through. Pull off the wires. Pull that through. Yeah, it is. It's on a piece of aluminum. And I'll pull that off later. You can see that right there. They'll call that dirty aluminum. They'll give you a lesser price for it, but you know, I just do it for fun anyway. I hope this was a helpful video. I know I kind of did it quick, but I'm trying to make the videos a little shorter. If you like the video, throw me a like. Shoot me a comment. Tell me what I'm doing good. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Say something. Anything. I don't care what it is. I can handle, negative comments. If you want to see something scrapped, I'll try to find it. I'm pretty much just, trying to do this for, other people's gain. It's fun for me. It's something new. Again, I hope this was a helpful video. I said, shoot me a comment. Tell me something. Appreciate you watching, and thank you very much.